Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite go-to sandwiches in the world. We're making a patty melt. Beef patty melt, but a patty melt. Sounds interesting? Hang out. We'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, start my patty melt out. About a third pound of really lean ground beef. I put a little bit of pepper in it, some garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and just a shake of wooden tire sauce. So just about like that. So get your hands in there, get this all mixed up. Get them seasonings all the way through all that beef. All right. There we got it. Now, I just make a nice big patty out of mine. This will shrink up some, so definitely make it bigger than the bread we're using. So, all right, I think that'll do. Get them edges tucked in there a little bit. All right, slap her in a pan, medium-high heat. We're gonna fry this up, so I'll get to doing that and we'll bring you back. All right, y'all. Well, that burger's starting to charbroil there. We're gonna fix up our toppings. We got some mushrooms and some onion. We got a little bit of butter in the pan there. Turn that on medium-high heat. Get them in that pan, and we'll get them sauteing up and get them all soft and then goodiness. And let's check this here burger. Oh, she's smelling delicious, y'all. Oh yeah. Coming along, y'all, coming along. Alright. I'm gonna get back to cooking this stuff. We'll bring y'all back when we're closer to being done. Alright, y'all, our burger's looking really good here. And the juices are just about running clear, so it's just about done. We've got our mushrooms and onions over here. They're softening up really nice. So, alright, a couple more minutes here. We'll be ready to put this sandwich together. Alright, y'all, burger's looking really good. The last key part of this sandwich is some rye bread. You want some good hearty rye. Throw that sucker right in that skillet with your burger. We're going to get that toasted up good and brown on that side, and then we'll start assembling. Alright, y'all, that bread's just about toasted up, so it's time to do some assembly work here. We're going to get some mushrooms and onions, put them on there. There we go. That looks beautiful. Then we're going to take some Swiss cheese, throw on top there. We're going to check our bread. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. I'll throw the lid back on here. Let that cheese melt. And then we'll be done. Alright, y'all. That cheese is just melted just perfectly. So we're going to take that. I'm going to put it over on our rye bread. We're ready to eat. That is a thing of beauty, y'all. Oh my. So, cut this thing in half and see what we got on the inside here. Oh yeah. Ooh. Can y'all see that? That is beautiful. Ooh. Alright. Let's do our taste test now. Alright, y'all. Let's take a bite of this here patty melt. Y'all, that is better than any restaurant you will ever have. I'm telling you. I amaze myself sometimes. And that's pretty dang hard. Beverage of the day. Got the old brown mood juice going. Had some good stuff too, y'all. So, anyways, if y'all like that, please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below how you'd change it, what you'd add, what you'd take away. Myself, this is the perfect patty melt. Onions, cheese, mushrooms, good thick burger on some really good rye bread. Grilled up, awesome. So, appreciate y'all watching. Please check out the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And come on in and we talk about everything. We talk about the stuff we do in the garage, talk about small engine work, do some cooking, everything, all that kind of stuff. So, again, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.